How to protect cell ranges of your spreadsheet in OnlyOffice. Here is an example. We have a project budgeting template, and 3 people are collaborating on it. To divide the template into responsibility areas, go to Protection and click Protect Range. Click New and select a cell range, for example, the Task Overview part. We select Mark Potato from the drop-down list and make Task Overview editable for him. Anyone else can only view this range. Similarly, we create another range with labor and materials cost and grant editing access for Hamish Mitchell, while Mark Potato can view this range, and for anyone else, access is denied. Now, let's see what ranges in the spreadsheet are accessible for each user. John Smith is the spreadsheet creator. He can view and edit any part of the project template. Mark Potato can edit the task overview part and only view the range with budget details. Hamish Mitchell, on the contrary, can edit labor and materials cost section, but only see task overview. All other users with access to this template can see the task overview, but not the detailed breakdown of costs. That is how you allocate individual access to cell ranges for different users. Try it at onlyoffice.com.